from Memory Keepers. Welcome to my pop-up envelope course series 2, and this is a series of 10 envelopes, and each of them has a different technique and different closures, and they can be used for any occasions. So let's start with it. So this is my envelope number 1. It has a cute little belly band closure, and you learn how to do this clustering and layering with flowers. And so each pop-up has a different element to it, and so this opens up like so. It's a foldable box, and here you can put your gift card or your cash, and this is it. The second one is this beautiful closure, and then when we open this up, we have 2 pockets to keep your cards, your messages, and this is your pop-up here, and this is your pocket for keeping your gift card or your cash. Then the next one is like a gift box. You can fill it up with chocolates, say especially for you. When you open it up, you have a surprise pop-up element. I filled it up with chocolates. You can put anything. It's a acetate tray, transparent, so that's an added element to this. Now the next one is this. This also has a cute little pop-up. Says congratulations, perfect for all occasions. When you open this up, look at this beautiful arrangement, and that's your pocket for cash. Magnetic closure. And the other one is this beautiful pink and blues and greens. Says best wishes, and then you pull it out, and then you have another window, and that's your pocket for cash. When you open it up, you can insert things here. Look at this arrangement here, it's beautiful, and then you just close it up. Now another one is this. Look at this beautiful arrangement of flowers, closely put together, and that's the other one. This is the next one. I'm not gonna open these now. If you want to see more, you can enroll for the class. It's just for 1750 rupees. If you have joined my first pop-up envelope course tutorial, then it's for 1750 rupees for you. And if not, then you can club both of these tutorials together in just 3250 rupees. And if you just want to enroll for this course, then you can enjoy it for 2000 rupees. And if you want the kit for this, then that's for 2000 rupees plus shipping. And I will link the video for my first pop-up envelope course in the description box. You can go ahead and watch those. So I have displayed all the 10 envelopes in that one. And so if you would like to learn all these beautiful techniques, then to join in for my course, and you can message me, and I'll share all the links in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching. This is Priyanka from Memory Keepers. See you. Bye.